So here's Meta AI app, and let's just take a look at this really cool new app. So previously this app was called Meta View, and Meta just updated the old app. Basically, Meta View was just the app for using your Ray-Ban smart glasses, but now they just decided to also include this kind of competitor for ChatGPT in one app. They didn't release a new app, they just updated old one. I don't understand basically why they did it. Maybe they just see it as, as some kind of marketing platform for eventually people using Ray-Ban glasses. But anyways, here is the app. You just need to update it. And one more thing, like this app is only available if you're using it in United States, and also if your Facebook account is tied to United States. So either it should be created while you are in US, or I don't know, it has to be seen that you're using like your Facebook account that you're living in US. I don't know, but basically if you're out traveling, you're not gonna be able to use Meta AI. And then also if your Facebook account was created, for example, in Europe, you're also not gonna be able to use it. But anyhow, then you just can create your account. By the way, you can just create account just for this app if you're in US. Super easy to create it and tie to this app. And then you can just start checking it out. So here is the app. It kind of looks similar to ChatGPT, but it has one different angle. The main difference is that there is a large discover feed where you can see kind of very similar to Instagram, where people sharing their prompts and their images, but not only images. Basically, so here in Discovery feed, you have all these amazing images. If you tap on them, you can reply to them, you can share, copy the link to them, you can hide, you can block the person. So for example, here you can then just tap reply, and then you can just add reply, something like that. And then it kind of looks very similar to Threads or Instagram. Yeah, so let's try to show you. So here is how it looks like. It's kind of very similar to ChatGPT, but this app is very kind of basic and it doesn't have all the advanced functionality of ChatGPT. So it's very basic features. You can just write some text. You can upload images from your camera or photo library, and it will just describe you the object. Then you can also talk with it. That's basically how it sounds. Then you have settings in the top right, your voice controls. So here you have a pretty interesting feature which I tried, which is called full duplex demo. So this is the voice feature. This natural voice doesn't have access to recent information or memory, but it sounds like a really natural voice. So it has these little mumbles, has natural pauses. It has basically a natural sounding voice, and I think I tried it. It's the best sounding voice in all the AI chatbots so far. Again, it doesn't have access to all the information, so if you need some precise data, it doesn't work. But if you just want to talk with Meta AI and you want that it sound really similar to human, that's basically the voice control you need. So yeah, that's the idea. Yeah, it really kind of has all these mumbles, all these natural sounding poses, and yeah, super cool idea from Meta. And it doesn't sound like some kind of robotic voice. If you're okay with the voice you just heard, you can then just select all the different normal AI voices, and then there is a functionality ready to talk. If you just toggle it on, the moment you open the app, you can just talk to it. You don't need to press another button. So these are voice controls, and that's it. So it's kind of really basic functionality. Like for example, Grok AI app, it has all of these 18 voice modes. It has this famous unhinged mode. So Grok AI app really has really nice voice modes. You can try it there. It's a lot of fun, but here it's very basic, and also compared to ChatGPT, it doesn't have not even near all the functionality. But then what's the difference? Main difference between ChatGPT and Meta AI is that you can then just create, for example, image, or you can create a text, or you can create like a voice message, and then you can then just tap share, and that's how you post this image. So you can then just select post, and it will be posted publicly through it will be posted publicly in the feed, and that's the idea. And then basically you can see it in your history. You can also just swipe to delete from your history, but also you will see, so some prompts are private and some prompts are public. So then if it's public, it will appear in discovery feed and it can be searchable, I guess. So that's the idea. And that's the main difference of this app, that there is a completely separate discover feature where you can just see all of these images. And yep, and then you can tap on your profile in the top right, and then you can see public prompts. You can see it in here, and then you can just tap on three dots, and yeah, you can again delete it, reply it, make it visible only you, limit replies. Then you can just tap again on it, pin it, all of these settings, and if you wanna, again, you can just easily delete it from public discovery feed. You can also just again just tap on it and make it private. So then now is the prompt is only visible to you, and then it disappears from public prompts, but it's still available in your history. If you delete from your history, it also will be deleted from public prompts. So that's kind of how you manage it. And then in the top right, you have all of these kind of memory settings. You can see your memory, you can clear your memory. Then there is like data and privacy. You can manage information, so you can make all prompts private if you wanna. So that's one of the way to do it. You can also delete all prompts right away. So this is a super fast way just to delete all your prompts super fast, or just make all your prompts private. So if you make all your prompts private, they are not deleted, but they will just disappear from discovery feed, and they're not gonna be public anymore. So at least they have this data management feature. And then you have your account center. Basically, you can't delete your Meta AI account. You that's the thing. Like, it's not possible. You need to delete your Facebook account, and like, I don't know, is it possible to keep your Facebook account but untie it from Meta AI account, kind of like keep it separate? I don't have this feature now. So the moment you're trying to use Meta AI app with your current Facebook account, that's it. You kind of, yeah, you can just kind of delete all your prompts, and that's it. So you can't, the moment you synced your like Facebook account with Meta AI, you can't unsync it easily. That's like a classic Facebook, and then they will have access to all your AI data and all your AI prompts, obviously. So at the moment, this is just what it is. If you are skeptical about, like, Meta data access, Meta, all of these things, what they're doing with your data and ads, then you should be a bit skeptical how you're gonna use with Meta AI, or maybe just create a separate Facebook account. It can be done super fast with Meta AI, just to chat and see how it evolves. And then in the bottom right, you just have this like Meta View former Meta View app, where you can then just add these Ray-Ban glasses. This is like the new kind of division of Meta. They are trying to build these new smart glasses. They try to build these VR goggles. Now they like Ray-Ban smart glasses, which you can add. Not a lot of people kind of using it, but they're trying to kind of merge AI and these glasses. You can capture and communicate hands-free, ask Meta AI, translate in real time, and listen to high-quality audio. So there is a reason why they kept everything in one app, and they didn't create just a separate Meta AI app. So they just wanna, probably they will build on some kind of synchronization between this AR and AI. So it's quite exciting to see what comes up. But yeah, this is kind of the app which you can try out. You can shop these devices. I don't know whether like they're obviously available in US, and then you can see all of the details about it. And yeah, so that's kind of the idea in here. That's the app. Try it out, Meta AI. Quite interesting app.